Okay, in this case, obviously there's a screw in the tire, so this is pretty simple. Like, the average person can do this right here. So, the tools that you need to have in the beginning before you even do that is like, you're going to need a pair of pliers, of course, to remove the object, or if it's like this, you can use a pair of side cutters. So, that's important to have right there. And then the other tools that you would have your reamer and the actual plug installer itself. But then the plugs themselves are like these sticky they have a coated substance on them, so when you actually do stick them in the tire, that it stays in there once you get it in this right position. So the plugs are pretty simple. But then if you had like a lower profile tire than this, like some of the tires like maybe they have on Corvettes and high performance vehicles, it's best like if you had this in here to actually patch the tire, which you actually have to remove the tire itself from the rim and then have someone place a patch across the surface inside. So that concludes like the patching and plugging of the tire.